How to translate text with Google Lens. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to translate the text with Google Lens. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. All you have to do is go to Google on your device, tap on it. Now, right beside the microphone icon, you can see the Google Lens right here. Tap on it. Now, once you do that, this will open your camera. Now, all you have to do is just place the text right here in the camera, right like this. Now, once you do that, you can just tap on the search right here, tap on it. Now, once you do that, your text will be generated by the AI like this. Now, let's say you want to translate this text. All you have to do is tap on this translate icon right here and tap on change language. Now, once you do that, select the language from here. You can select any from here, tap on it, and as you can see, the language has been changed to Hindi just like this. Super simple, right? Isn't this great? You can change it to any language you like from here, just like this. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.